While updating iPhone with the new iOS, if you see it keeps loading or is stuck on check for update, follow only 3 useful solutions on your iPhone to solve your keep loading issues. So with a delay, let's get started. Solution 1. Fix your internet connection. First, check your internet connection speed. If your connection speed is slow, open Setting, tap Wi-Fi, tap the icon, scroll down, tap Configure DNS. Tap Manual, remove the current IP address. Now add a new IP server. Add 8.8.8.8. Now also add 8.8.4.4. Now save the network. Solution 2. Now restart your device. After that, turn your device back on. Solution 3. Check your storage. If you have low storage on your iPhone, please ensure to remove some unwanted apps from your iPhone. After following these 3 processes, if you still have any questions, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.